YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Guys, do me a favor, go subscribe to my second channel, please. The link is down in the description below. Just click that link, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. Smash that subscribe button for your boy. I know you wondering where I get this 2/6 King Wavy velvet do-rag from. I know you are, alright? Let me tell you something. What if I told you you could purchase a do-rag and don't pay full price for it? All you have to do is use my discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off this do-rag right here. Click that link in the description below. It's gonna take you over to the website. Copy 2/6 King Wavy do-rags, then don't forget to use the discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your purchase. Anyways, guys, I've been hearing about this barber called Arod. You know, I decided to check him out. He looks legit, man. His videos are like 4K definition. He's dope, alright? So I just like, yo, I seen a video on his page. It was like a wave cut. I'm like, what if I just react to this? You know, I didn't watch the video yet. I'm just like, let me just say this for tomorrow and just react to it, alright? So y'all gonna watch a reaction video of me reacting to Arod giving a wave cut. And maybe one day in the future, I might go to him for a haircut. I don't know if you guys might like that, but drop that in the comment section if you would like to see me get a haircut from 360 Jeezy and Arod. In the future, not now, because you know I'm broke. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video.
What happened? Damn, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, guys, so this is the video I'm gonna be watching. It's a crazy wave transformation haircut by Arod. Alright, so let me just check it out. 6 minutes, not too big. It's not too long, so just check it out, man. Let's get it.
Yo, YouTube, this is Arod A. Millie, and today I'm going to show you a few steps.
I did watch a couple of his videos, and I actually like that he has his own style, his own content, where he makes his own music, you know, throughout the video. I know you guys don't like to watch videos without background music, and his idea of adding his own music to his video, he makes the music while he's making a video. Like that's tough, man. I ain't never seen I ain't never seen nothing like that before. So big ups to Arod. That's dope, man. Keep doing your thing.
How to do a wave cut. Thank you for all my subscribers for being there.
Like, you see that? Like, I'll be like, appreciate you guys for subscribing, blah blah. He says all that and he turns that into music. Like that's dope, man. I would never think of that.
I appreciate you. If you landed on this video and you like these kind of hairstyles, make sure you subscribe right now and click the notification button and get a notification every time I upload a video. This is Arod.
Why he going so slow with it? He going super slow with the cut.
Hey Millie, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah.
Alright, I hope I enjoyed this video too. It's nice so far. It's going good so far, guys. So let's see. What y'all think of his waves? They look alright to me, you know. It don't look like he was wolfing, so they look good. See the connections. This not a rape video, so let me just. I don't want the video to be boring, so I'm not just gonna sit here and not say nothing, guys. So don't mind me. It looked like he cut it down to a 1.5, cause it looks super light. Like, what y'all think he cut it down to, guys? I think this is 1.5.
Meister.
No copyright, bro.
You can follow my day-to-day basis on everything I'm doing on social media at Arod23PR on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and all of them. So make sure, if you want to keep up with my moves, go check me out. Go check me out.
Yo, it's got funny. Go check me out.
The link is down below in the bio.
sharp, man. Like, he's so careful with it. He's going so slow and making sure everything is like, he's so precise. Guys, I usually don't watch the whole video. Like, I just skip to the end. But since it's a video and I'm making a reaction video, I'm gonna just watch the whole thing. He's different. He's wearing red gloves. I ain't never seen nobody with red gloves. Every barber I see got black gloves on. Like, this is tough. And I like his clippers. It looks like they made out of wood. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. I don't know. This guy just sitting in the chair like, yo, I hope you'll mess up my head. Look at him. Why he looks sad? He looks sad. Like he about to cry. Maybe Arod not that good. I don't know. Maybe he not. He think about life like, yo, my girlfriend, man. She gonna leave me. Arod, hook me up, man. I'm trying to win my girlfriend back. That's what he thinking right now. Arod about to change. Arod about to change his life with this.
I'm gonna be using the Elegance hair fibers by Wester the Barber around the lineup, so it can give a more sharp look and it can pop out. The fibers are the perfect solution to give the appearance of thicker, fuller hair in just a few seconds. Watch.
He called this the fiber fixer-upper, blah, 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 blah. I call it a blackout. Come on, Arod, you took 15 seconds to name that fiber fixer-upper, blah, blah. It's called a blackout. Just say blackout, guys. Blackout. That's it.
To learn more about all the Elegance products, make sure you go and subscribe to the Elegance Gel YouTube channel.
His waves are gone at this angle. I don't see no waves. Hey man, you gotta put in more brushwork, man. This was a year ago, so his waves probably look way better now. Or maybe he stopped waving, I don't know. But they look like they going from this angle. Now they back. Magic.
Using the Elegance Shave Gel, dispensing a clear gel formula is gonna give me an easy visibility around the lineup on where I'm gonna work with my A-milli blade. And all this is out now at www.elegancegel.com.
Guys, I apologize. Every time I'm making a video, I'm screen recording the video. That's when everybody want to send me emails. Like, I should just put my phone on Do Not Disturb next time. Is it just me? Or is it everyone else? I'm so afraid of that thing that he's using right there. The Gillette, whatever it's called. I'm like, yo, what if he cut my forehead or something? Because when I was younger, I cut myself with that junk with my finger, and I just touched it and it cut me. Like, they be trying to cut my mustache with it. I'm like, yo, what if he cut my lip, yo? I'll be so scared, man. Let me know if I'm the only one that's scared. Drop that in the comment section, because I'll be mad scared. I'll be terrified. Y'all remember his face? His face, he was mad. He was sad in the beginning of the video. Now he's looking a little happier. Arod done changed his life. His eyes is up. He still looks sad. He like, man. Life's hard. I got all these bills to pay.
And now I'm gonna use the Elegance pomade. Easy to distribute around the hair and these waves. It's gonna provide a long-lasting shine, also a long-lasting hold.
Alright guys, education time. Education time. Guys, before you apply pomade, make sure you apply moisturizer. Make sure your hair is moisturized and everything before you apply pomade to hold down the waves. Pomade. I'm trying to be like him. Okay. Don't apply pomade. Only reason I'm saying that because you still wash your hair before a haircut. So if you just apply pomade while your hair is dry, it's just like your pores are closed. The pomade is not really gonna moisturize your hair. It's just gonna hold your hair down. This is not healthy. I doubt that pomade is all natural, so I don't even know. I'm just saying, bring your own pomade when you go to the barbershop. Alright, so yeah.
It washes off very easily. Just with water.
He forgot to apply pomade to the back of his head. He only applied it to the top. Yeah.
Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit that thumbs down.
I ain't like it.
We did it one more time for you guys. This is Arod, A Millie, and on the beat, Meister.
Alright guys, take my AirPods out. Arod got me talking like this now. Arod on the beat. Yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, yeah. That's how you was talking the whole video. You was singing that jump. Hey man, that was a very soothing video. I was calm watching that whole video because the music had me like, I was chill. So that was a dope video, man. That was the best barber video I've watched in a while. No offense, Jeezy, but that music was just, I was dancing in my chair and jump. Hey man, that's it for this little short, probably not short, it's probably like 10-11 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna be yet after I edit, but thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for supporting me. Yeah man, yeah guys, I'm actually thinking about starting, like, you know, doing beards and stuff, teaching you guys how to get your beard, how to moisturize and everything. This is not gonna be for my younger wavers, you feel me? This is gonna be for the older ones with beards and whoever wants to, you know, get their beard to be fuller. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start doing my research on beards, and I'm gonna start, you know, training my beard, taking much more care of my beard, and helping you guys out that wants to have a perfect, growing, fuller beard, okay? And that's gonna also put me out there to more, you know, people. It's gonna reach, the reach is gonna be more. It's not gonna be just for wavers. It's gonna be just for it's gonna be for wavers, beard, all hair types. And I'm gonna do I'm gonna start doing a lot of reaction videos on my channel, a lot more reactions. So I just want my channel to expand more. I don't want it to be just waves. I want it to be waves, reactions, comedy, and you know, beard, and just like, you know, I want to evolve. I don't want to just stick to waves. I want to have waves, everything, you know. It's gonna be more supporters. It's gonna be a big, huge family, big, huge community with everything that has to offer. All right, all my wavers that's growing up, man, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years from now, I want y'all to take my spot, man, because I'm not gonna be doing this for a long time. Y'all see my hairline receding and all that. So one day I'm gonna have to give up waves, cut everything off, and go bald and just grow my beard out. Alright, so 360 works. All y'all that's waving right now, Jelly fam, you know, y'all just keep brushing, man. Don't give up. Don't ever give up, because y'all gonna have to take my spot one day, and everybody's gonna have to look up to you guys, you know, if they want to get their waves looking right. So just keep doing y'all thing, man. Alright, so anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for being here since 1K. Alright, I'm about to hit 20K real soon, guys. Let's just keep going strong. Thank you guys for everything. Don't forget about the giveaway. The giveaway will be real soon. Alright, it's gonna be real soon, so stay tuned for that. That is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, please. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video.